Good morning, David. You're up early today.
Morning, Emma. I always wake up at 6:30 on weekdays.
Really? I usually get up around 7. What do you do so early?
I like to start my day slowly. Coffee, shower, breakfast.
That sounds nice and relaxing. I'm always rushing in the morning.
Would you like to have coffee together? I can show you my morning routine.
That would be wonderful. I don't have work meetings until 10.
Perfect. I don't start teaching until 8:30 today.
Should we go to Morning Glory Cafe?
Actually, let me make coffee at my place first. Then we can talk about our days.
Great idea. I'd love to see how you organize your mornings.
Come over in 10 minutes. I'll have fresh coffee ready.
Wow, your apartment is so organized. Everything has its place.
I like keeping things tidy. It helps me start the day calmly.
My place is still full of boxes. I need to learn from you.
Organization takes time. Here, try this coffee. I grind the beans fresh every morning.
This smells amazing. What time do you usually drink your first coffee?
Around 6:45, right after I shower and get dressed. I have the same routine every weekday. It keeps me focused.
Tell me about it. I want to create a better morning routine, too.
First, I wake up at 6:30. No snooze button, straight out of bed.
That's impressive. I always hit snooze at least twice.
Then I make my bed immediately. It makes me feel accomplished already.
I never make my bed. Maybe that's why my mornings feel chaotic.
After making the bed, I shower and brush my teeth.
How long do you spend in the bathroom?
About 15 minutes total. I keep it efficient.
I spend 30 minutes just choosing what to wear.
I prepare my clothes the night before. Saves time and stress.
That's brilliant. What do you do after getting dressed?
I come to the kitchen, grind coffee beans, and make breakfast.
My mornings are completely different. I wake up and immediately check my phone.
How long do you spend looking at your phone?
Probably 20 minutes. I read emails, check social media, look at the news.
That sounds stressful first thing in the morning.
It is. By the time I get out of bed, I'm already feeling behind.
What happens after you finally get up?
I rush to the shower, then spend forever choosing clothes from boxes.
No breakfast routine?
I usually grab a granola bar and coffee on my way to work.
Meetings. You work from home now, though. That could change everything.
You're right. I could create a proper breakfast routine.
What time do you usually start working?
Around 9, but sometimes I'm still in pajamas at lunchtime.
Working from home requires discipline. Do you have a dedicated workspace?
Not yet. I work from my couch or kitchen table.
That makes it hard to separate work time from personal time.
Exactly. Sometimes I work until 8 at night without realizing it.
You need boundaries. Set work hours and stick to them.
How do you manage your work-life balance as a teacher?
School hours help. I finish at 3:30 and rarely bring work home.
Should we continue this conversation at the cafe?
Great idea. I want to hear about your afternoon and evening routines too.
Perfect. I'm curious about yours as well.
Let's walk slowly. It's such a beautiful morning.
I love how quiet the neighborhood is at this hour.
This is my favorite time of day. Peaceful and full of possibilities.
What do you usually do after school finishes?
I grade papers for about an hour, then I'm free.
Do you have hobbies or regular afternoon activities?
3 days a week, I go running in the park.
What about the other days?
I read, cook dinner, or meet friends. What about you?
My afternoons are unpredictable. It depends on client deadlines.
Do you exercise regularly?
I used to go to the gym, but I stopped when work got busy.
Exercise helps me think clearly. It's like meditation for me.
I should start running again. Maybe you could show me the park routes.
I'd love to. We could run together on weekends.
That sounds perfect. I need motivation to restart exercising.
Good morning, David and Emma. Nice to see you again.
My usual espresso. Thanks, Sarah.
Coming right up. You two are becoming regular coffee partners.
Emma's learning about morning routines. We're comparing our daily schedules.
That's smart. Good routines make such a difference in happiness.
This place feels so comfortable already.
It's my thinking spot. I often grade papers here on weekends.
Do you have the same weekend routine as weekdays?
Weekends are more relaxed, but I still wake up around 7.
I sleep until 9 or 10 on weekends, sometimes later.
Nothing wrong with that. Rest is important too.
What do you typically do on Saturday mornings?
coffee here, then grocery shopping or cleaning my apartment.
Do you cook elaborate meals on weekends?
Sometimes I enjoy trying new recipes when I have time.
I'm terrible at cooking. I usually order takeout.
Cooking is relaxing for me. I could teach you some basic recipes.
Really? I'd love that. I want to eat healthier.
This is where I run 3 times a week.
It's beautiful. How long are your typical runs?
About 30 minutes. I do 2 laps around the park.
The paths look perfect for running, not too crowded.
Mornings are best. Fewer people and fresh air.
What time do you usually run?
7 in the morning on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Tell me about your evening routine. Do you have one?
I try to eat dinner by 6:30 and avoid screens after 8.
No screens after 8? That's impressive.
I read books instead. It helps me sleep better.
I'm on my computer until 10 or 11 every night.
That might affect your sleep quality.
You're probably right. I have trouble falling asleep.
What do you do between dinner and bedtime?
Usually more work, watching Netflix, or scrolling social media.
That keeps your brain active when it should be slowing down.
What do you suggest instead?
Light reading, gentle music, or preparing for tomorrow.
Preparing for tomorrow?
I lay out clothes, check my schedule, and write tomorrow's priorities.
David, dear, how nice to see you here.
Mrs. Chen, this is my new neighbor Emma from 4B.
Hello, Mrs. Chen. David told me you make amazing cookies.
Oh, he's too kind. I do enjoy baking for the neighbors.
Mrs. Chen walks here every afternoon at 2 o'clock.
Exercise keeps me healthy. I've walked here for 15 years.
What time do you usually wake up, Mrs. Chen?
5:30 every morning, even on weekends.
Earlier than both of us.
At my age, you don't need much sleep. I go to bed at 9.
What do you do in the early morning hours?
I water my plants, read the newspaper, and prepare breakfast slowly.
I grow vegetables and flowers on my balcony.
Good routines keep you young. Same time for meals, exercise, sleep.
That makes sense. I should create more structure in my day.
Start small, dear. Change one thing at a time.
That's excellent advice.
Well, I must continue my walk. Nice meeting you, Emma.
Thank you for the advice, Mrs. Chen. See you soon. Today was so helpful. I learned a lot about organizing my day.
I enjoyed sharing routines too. It made me think about my habits.
What's the most important thing for a good daily routine?
Consistency, I think. Doing the same helpful things every day.
I want to start with making my bed and eating proper breakfast.
Those are perfect starting points. Small changes make big differences.
Would you like to have breakfast together tomorrow?
That sounds great. What time works for you?
How about 7:30? I want to practice waking up earlier.
Perfect. I'll make coffee and we can eat together.
I'll bring something for breakfast, maybe fruit or pastries.
Excellent plan. We can talk about how your new routine goes.
What are you doing tonight?
Grading papers until 6, then cooking dinner and reading.
I'm going to try your evening routine. No screens after 8.
That's ambitious. Start with 9 o'clock and work toward 8.
Good idea. Thanks for such an educational day, David.
My pleasure, Emma. See you bright and early tomorrow.
Good night. I'm excited to start my new routine.